What are you going to share?
Today we are going to share on birds.
Hmm. Okay, go ahead.
You know, how can birds fly? This is
How?
a very special thing.
Hmm.
This is based on Bernoulli's principle.
This one, right.
Now, Bernoulli's principle says that birds have three types of feathers: flight feathers, that down feathers, and worn feathers. The flight feathers helps the bird to fly. It is found in its wings and on its tail. And the worn feather is found in the bird's body. It gives a shape to its body.
Oh, right.
I mean, it keeps the bird warm every winter. But a swallow cannot survive this actually in winter. And third feather is called the down feather. The down feather that gives shape to the bird's body. Yes, and now we will talk how many types of birds are there. Uh, uh, Birds which eat flesh and meat. These animals are called kites and eagles.
Okay.
Not a hoopoe actually. You know, kites and eagles eat small animals like snakes and insects.
Okay.
Yucks.
Next.
Second is on a hoopoe. A hoopoe has a hard beak that pulls out insects from their hidings.
Right.
And third is a parrot.
Parrot, yeah.
Say hello. It will say hello.
Okay, right.
Yes, a parrot has a thin and curved beak to bite hard fruits.
Fruits, yeah, right.
Yeah, who can eat hard fruits?
Parrot.
True.
Then?
Yeah, done.